Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'll be showing you how to make some strawberry jam. Start off by putting your strawberries in a pot, and then if you've got big strawberries like this, you can just cut it in half or in quarters depending on the size that you want. Put them back in the pot and then squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Mix this together and then put the pot on a medium heat. Stir the fruit until it starts to bleed, and then add in your sugar all in one go, and then stir this until the sugar has dissolved. Leave this to rapidly boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. While this is boiling, put a plate in the freezer. You'll need this to check if your jam is ready. When your jam is ready, you can remove some of the foam at the top and just put it in a bowl, and then you can throw this away later. To check if your jam is ready, you get the plate out of the freezer and then use your finger. If it ripples like this shows it's ready. Another way to test is you can use a sugar thermometer. If it reaches here where it says the jam stage, then it's ready. And then pour this mixture into your sterilized jars. To watch a video on how to sterilize the jars, click on the link above. As soon as you sterilize the jars, just screw the top on. These are very hot, so you need to be careful. Then screw the top back on and then just leave to set completely. When the jam has cooled down, you can now put some labels on it and with a date on it, and then that's it. You can now use it for scones, bread, or whatever else you want it for. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.